In this video we're going to be taking a look along the eastern alignment of the rebuild. Basically section 5, which goes over Austin's Bridge onto section 4B. 4A of course is the road crossing, then section 3B. We're going to start just 150 metres to the east of the Salehurst Church bridle path. It becomes very clear as to what has been laid in terms of a permanent surface, with the crushed concrete being put down over terra matting. To help you with your understanding of what's going on here, if you look at the accompanying blog, you'll be able to see the 360s and take a good look around, and with some limited zoom as to what is going on here. We're just coming up on what we call Field 98. This is currently being used for storage of rail materials and aggregates, but will eventually be replanted for mitigation land for the environment. Just coming up on Bridge 25. This is a double span bridge. This is due to be reinstated very soon. And of course, now we're just over Austin's Bridge. Just coming up on Junction Road halt at the moment. To the west side of Junction Road, it was a goods yard, as we've said many times. And to the east side, on the left of the crossing, would have been where the passenger halt would have been. Coming up on section 3B right now. Between the pond on the right and the river on the left, this is where Udium slippage has occurred. Plans have been on the drawing board for some time, and now we're trying to put them into effect.